the life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to.
Hey guys, it's Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday and I usually work on Sundays, so I thought I'll vlog today and take you guys behind the scenes with me of what a day in my life looks like when I'm actually working. Since it's a Sunday, it's a chill work day, so I'm gonna be chilling a bit as well. But we're gonna be hanging out together throughout the day, so I'm excited. Let's get started. So I actually just got out of the shower, so I'm quickly gonna do my skincare before I get on with my day. I've been keeping my skincare quite basic these days, so I just use a toner and a moisturizer in the morning, and at night is when I do like an extensive skincare routine.
Hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.
Since I have to film a video today, I may just do some basic makeup as well.
My heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return.
Here's a quick outfit of the day for you guys. This is what I'm wearing. I've got this t-shirt and black jeans, which are actually super comfy and ribbed on the knee. I'm obsessed with ripped jeans. So both of these are from American Eagle and I'm feeling really good today. So I've got my to-do list for the day here, and today we have a lot of things to do. So firstly, I'm actually gonna go make breakfast for myself because I'm really hungry. But after that, I have a video to film. I have a photo shoot to do for this project that I'm working on. Then I have a video to edit. I have to file my taxes, my GST returns. Yes, that is something I have to do every month as well. Then I have to write and schedule my newsletter, which goes out tomorrow. And yeah, I just have a bunch of other tiny things to get done. Hopefully I'll finish all of this by evening so that I can just chill after that. And I also told my grandmom that, you know, after the whole garden tour video, I'm actually quite inspired to learn a little bit of gardening. So I told her that I'll plant a basil plant today. So that's gonna happen. Lots to do today. Super hungry though. So first, let's go eat some breakfast. So for breakfast today, I'm making myself protein pancakes. Lately, I've been working out and I've been trying to eat healthy. And because the workouts I do are quite intense, I also consume like more protein. So I'm following this easy recipe I found online, which only has like 4 ingredients. There's bananas, well, just 1 banana, 1 egg, and some rolled oats and some protein powder. So a lot of people still keep asking me like if I'm vegan. I'm not vegan anymore, but I am vegetarian. I sometimes eat eggs though, especially in pancakes and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna mix all of this, blend it in, and then make the pancakes.
Me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.
So I actually made these pancakes 3-4 days ago and they turned out amazing, but the quantity was just so much. I ended up making like 6-7 pancakes with the batter that I had. So today I tried to reduce the quantity of everything. The batter is like a little thicker though, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Not bad, it's looking decent. So I've got 2 pancakes. They're not the best looking, but let's try them out and see how they taste. The moment of truth. Are these as bad as they look?
If I could take you back to my youth.
This actually tastes pretty good. I'm quite surprised because it definitely does not look as good as it did the other day when I made it, but not bad at all.
The other ring on my wrist is gold.
Time to do some gardening. I'm going to be planting these basil seeds and my grandmom is going to be helping me out.
I'm remembering the words you told me.
So these are the seeds. There are about 50 seeds that we're going to be planting.
Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I.
So I'm done planting. This is what it looks like. It's gonna take a week, I think, to start growing. So I'll update you guys on how this grows on Instagram, so you can follow me there. Finally getting down to work for the day. So the first thing I'm doing is this photo shoot for a project that I'm working on. So I'm going to be taking like a few shots here, have to arrange all of these things, and my photographer for the day is Vikram, who has given me like an hour's time, so I need to like get all my shots in this 1 hour. So I'm quickly gonna do the setup here. I'm thinking this is a good spot to film, so let's do this. Got a couple of shots, taking a little coffee break now. Done with the photo shoot. Thank you, Vikram.
No problem.
Back in my room now, and I wanted to film a video right now, but it's kind of raining outside, so I'm just waiting for that to stop. But until then, I thought I'll get all my desk work done. So right now I'm transferring all the photos we just took, and I'm sitting and editing them on Lightroom. But after this, I'm gonna file my GST returns. So this is something a lot of people don't realize I and a lot of other YouTubers have to do. So every month I sit and file my GST returns and pay taxes, and you can hire accountants to do it as well, but I prefer just doing it on my own because I feel like every time I sit down to do it, I like have all my finances in order and I know like how much money I made through all the different sources in that month. So that's something I'm going to be doing right now. And for the video that I have to film, I also have to write like a script. So I don't really write scripts for my videos, but I do have like talking points that I want to mention in the video. So I'm just going to make a note of those talking points. So I'm going to get all my desk related work done right now, and hopefully it'll stop raining so I can film soon. Off camera for a while, but I managed to finish a lot of work, and now I just have to film the video. It's more of a talking to the camera video, so it should be easier to film. Hopefully, I think it should take me like an hour max, but I'm super hungry before that, so I'm just eating some pita chips, snacking on this rather, and yeah, I'm just gonna set up and film after this. These are so good. So this is the setup. Ignore that mess in the back, but this is what the frame looks like. All of that should be blurred out hopefully, and I'm just gonna be sitting here. I've got my mic as well. So I'm just gonna start recording, but I've got my laptop here. I have some talking points written down, and I'm just gonna keep my laptop here so I can keep referring to it, just so that I don't miss out on any points. Oh my god, it's so hot right now. This is what happens every time I film, because I have like my fan and my AC and everything off just so that the audio is better. And by the middle of the shoot, I'm just like such a sweaty mess. Oh my god guys, I am so tired, but the video is finally done. Took me like an hour I think, which is actually not bad, but I'm just so tired right now. I'm also supposed to work out. Today is actually like an optional workout day on the app that I use to work out, but I think I'm just gonna make it like a fun workout. I think I might just look up dance workouts on YouTube and do that in a bit, but for now I think I'm just gonna turn the AC on and like lie down for a bit because I'm just so exhausted after today.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance.
Literally been dancing for the past half an hour and I'm feeling so pumped right now. This is actually like week 5 of me working out regularly for 6 days a week. Today was supposed to be my rest day, so I didn't really want to do like strength training, so I was just doing like a fun workout, but feeling so energetic right now. So done with all the work for today. So proud of myself, and it's only evening right now, so I'm just gonna take the evening off and relax. It's my best friend's birthday today as well, and a bunch of us are gonna do a Zoom call, and then yeah, I'm just gonna have dinner. And usually Sunday evenings are like chill time with family, so we might watch a movie together if everyone's in the mood for it. Also, if you can hear drums in the background, that's my brother practicing. So yeah, that kind of goes on all day long in our house. So we're having quite a feast for dinner today. There's a lot of food, and my bua is also here.
Hi.
So yeah, this is all the food. So much good food today. Now, movie night did not happen, but we still had a really fun evening. We were all just sitting and talking and catching up. It's 11:30 p.m. right now. I'm already so tired and sleepy. I'm just gonna go and change and do my whole night routine and probably get into bed now. But before that, I want to talk about the clothes I'm wearing right now, which are from American Eagle. Now, for the first few months of being home, I literally spent that entire time in like shorts and pajamas and didn't bother dressing up at all. But lately I've been putting the effort to like dress up, and not only has it increased my productivity, but I also just like feel really good about myself. And I don't know what it is about like wearing nice clothes at home. I think you just trick your brain into feeling like you're going out, so you feel kind of like pumped up and energetic about your day. So that's what I've been doing lately, and it's made such a huge difference. And these jeans that I'm wearing right now are honestly so comfortable. I've been wearing them since morning, and they're just so flexible, and they've become my go-to wear at home lately. I feel like with jeans, no matter how many pairs of jeans I own, I always have like one favorite at a time, and I just like wear that endlessly. So currently this is like my favorite pair of jeans. If you want to check out this exact pair of jeans or any other jeans from American Eagle, I'll leave a link in the description box below. And they also have some really amazing t-shirts like the one I'm wearing, so I'll leave a link to this as well. And I also have a discount code for you guys, so in case you want to buy anything, be sure to use my code. All the links will be in the description box below, so do check that out. And I think now I'm just gonna go change, do my night routine, tuck into bed, and just like watch some Netflix show until I fall asleep. I ended up taking a shower. I feel so fresh and wide awake right now, and I've lit up a scented candle to set the mood to just chill. But I just remembered that I forgot to write my newsletter, which is supposed to go out tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna sit and do that right now. In case you're wondering what this newsletter is, I started this like 3-4 months ago, I think, where once a week I send out an email with something related to productivity or motivation and just stuff that interests me. So if you want to sign up for it, it's a free newsletter, so I'll leave a link in the description. You can sign up for my newsletter as well. And I think I'm gonna end this video now. Can't believe I have to sit and work right now, but that's what I'm gonna be doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to show a bit of behind the scenes of my work life, but honestly there's so much more that goes on behind the scenes which I can't possibly show in one video. So if you want me to do more of these videos, let me know. I feel like a lot of people think that the whole creativity aspect and filming and editing is like the major part, but honestly I think that's only 50%, and the other 50% is like the back-end work, the business stuff, talking to clients and negotiating brand deals and stuff like that. So if you want to know more about that, let me know. I'll make a video about that as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, press the bell button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!